100 English words that start with R. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Ready, Mike?
Really ready, Myra.
Because we're bringing you 100 words, all starting with the letter R.
R for rise, run, and reach.
And R for remember, repeat, and react.
Just listen
Repeat after us.
and let your English grow stronger.
Let's get started.
Race,
Race,
radio,
radio,
rain,
rain,
raise,
raise,
random,
random,
range,
range,
rapid,
rapid,
rare,
rare,
rate,
rate,
rather.
rather.
Wonderful start.
Let's move on.
Reach,
Reach,
red,
red,
ready,
ready,
real,
real,
realize,
realize,
really,
really,
reason,
reason,
receive.
receive,
Recent,
recent,
recipe.
recipe.
You're doing great.
Speak out loud with us.
Record,
Record,
red,
red,
reduce,
reduce,
reflect,
reflect,
refuse,
refuse,
region,
region,
register,
register,
regular,
regular,
relax,
relax,
release.
release.
Halfway already.
Don't stop now.
Relief,
Relief,
religion,
religion,
rely,
rely,
remain,
remain,
remember,
remember,
remove,
remove,
rent,
rent,
repair,
repair,
repeat,
repeat,
replace.
replace.
You're on fire.
Let's keep rolling.
Report,
Report,
represent,
represent,
request,
request,
require,
require,
rescue,
rescue,
research,
research,
respect,
respect,
respond,
respond,
result,
result,
return.
return.
Just a few more.
Keep going. You're amazing.
Reveal,
Reveal,
revenge,
revenge,
review,
review,
reward,
reward,
rhythm,
rhythm,
rice,
rice,
rich,
rich,
ride,
ride,
right,
right,
ring.
ring. 100 R words. Complete.
You did it. That's impressive.
Say these words again and again.
Until they become part of your daily English.
Subscribe to English Podcast.
For fun, focused, and friendly lessons.
You're growing every day.
And we're always with you.